If you're selling a product, you need to really tell the truth about what it can do for customers. But at the same time, your customers might be very diverse and they might be in all kinds of different milieux. So you need to be able to make that truth be relevant to them. We did some interesting work with NVIDIA to solve quite an important paradox in product commercialization. So at the GTC in San Jose, we showed a specific example of how that might work with Hyundai. In fact, we presented the Ioniq 6 in a fantastic environment, which was completely synthetic. But every aspect of the product which you saw was based on the commercial virtual twin. So it was accurate to what the Ioniq 6 really is about. So I think that this combination of the commercial virtual twin and generative AI really applies to many industries. What's interesting about transportation and mobility is that it's both an investment good and it's a consumer good at the same time. But really any product or category which is changing rapidly can benefit from generative AI in terms of how you present it. So for example, fashion, where trends are changing all the time. Or maybe any product which is digitally augmented, so where software is constantly changing the value proposition as new releases of the software make it to the field. So if we look at the value of generative AI, it's really two halves of one equation. On the one hand, it's about saving costs, so making things go faster, getting products into market more rapidly. But on the other hand, it's actually about increasing the value of these products to customers because they serve those customers in a better way. So I think generative AI will have a big impact on customer experience. On the one hand, obviously, how we represent the value to customers, how we help them understand what products are supposed to do for them is important. But I think over the longer term, we'll see it becoming more and more important actually on the interface to the product itself. So you will see generative AI become a part of the product's definition. And this will increase its value and allow it to understand better how to respond to your needs at any moment in time. So I think generative AI is a very important evolution, and AI more generally has already helped in a number of ways on the commercial side. It's going to be an evolving space and there's going to be lots going on, so I'll be back to talk to you about more, I hope, in the future.